Hello guys, welcome to another video, and this video's topic is search engines. And why search engines? Because recently Google has been doing a lot of stuff. Recently saying like since I think 5 years ago, or maybe even 6 years ago, Google has started degrading their search. And I know for a fact every one of us who used Google throughout this era has noticed it. So what exactly is happening? Well, it seems as though AI search is everywhere when you search up Google. Okay, so recently what we've been subjected to are these AI overviews here. I don't know why it doesn't bring it up for me. Let's go for how to change my name on Facebook. Here we go. And yes, here we go. It says AI overview. So the thing is that they now generate a whole like AI statement, which it says all responses may include mistakes. Sorry, AI responses might contain mistakes. What happens when you search? It actually brings up a prompt here, and it's basically using AI to actually search for you. So, and as you can see here, AI responses may include mistakes. So, yeah. Are you ready to lower the quality of your searches, your search quality, and listen to AI? And this is the stuff you actually gotta follow, right? So you gotta go to how to change your name on Facebook, for example, if you're on Facebook, right? Or you can watch videos, but for some reason they like to push this into your face. Which is bad. Of course, you can do this and remove it, so there's no AI option. But yeah, that's not something that everyone wants to do every single time they want to search, because doing that is quite hard on the keyboard, and especially if you're on phone, this key is not even available there. So on the phone, you're gonna be way worse. You're gonna have a way worse experience, right? So there's another thing I was really surprised to see today. So applying AI towards science and the environment. Of course, Google, right? Of course. As if AI wasn't already a carbon... Yeah. AI's footprint is bigger than you think, according to technologyreview.com. Generating one image takes as much energy as fully charging your smartphone. As a person who limits the battery charge on my Samsung Galaxy A55, yeah, I do think that they are still charging a lot more for a photo, if you know what I mean. And yeah, I have run AI on my local system, and I can see how insanely hard it is to run, so yeah, I do understand that. So how can you improve Google? Well, it seems like changing from Google, switching to another search engine is the option. And what search engines would you say do people use? For a long time here, it has been Google. In 2019, it was at 2018, it was at 91% Google. And then, yeah, as you can see, Bing is rising. So, as much as we diss Bing does not bring up that same stuff. So if we go to say, how to change my name on Facebook, is it gonna bring up an AI overview? Is it gonna bring up an AI overview, or is it actually gonna bring up something you're gonna need? Videos. Most people actually watch a video before they actually do something on their PC. Most people go to video tutorials, so it's clear that people should watch videos which are quality content from what I know. Look at these. They have 1.5 million views, 1.6 million views. I don't know. This is how you should do it, bro. Whatever Google is doing, it's not good, bro. I don't like it. And as you can see here, the second option is the actual guide from Facebook, which the AI was pulling data. Mind you, it could have been wrong, because AIs are not fully accurate, and pulling it back to the search page. So Bing, as much as we hated it, Bing was kind of a burden back then, right? Everyone who used Bing was kind of the redhead in the class, right? But now, bro, Bing, it does the function of Google a lot better, right? Okay, so if you haven't watched my other videos, you might have not known that I use Bing like every single time. My default search engine, as you can see on Firefox, is Bing. And yeah, I have been using it for about like 10 months at this point, and honestly speaking, it hasn't been a burden like it was supposed to be. So, and a lot of people do agree because as you can see here, Bing is now at 12%, and Google, like, is just Bing is basically eating all of Google's market share, at least according to Statista, which is really insane. I mean, the days of the Google monopoly, I hope, are over, because like this is good for everyone, right? If there's Bing, if there's Yahoo search, I mean, I don't think Yahoo search is ever gonna come back. I mean, it's still at 3%, but still. Or like Yandex, which is a Russian thing. You have DuckDuckGo, Baidu. If all of these have like similar market shares, or like at least close to each other, not like Google 90%, or if they have that, if Google sees the threat of other search engines coming up to their level, they would start to actually understand and improve their search engine. So I believe back in like 2019, Google actually experimented with actually lowering the quality of their search and seeing if it actually if people actually reverted to other search engines. And the experiment was a positive, as far as I know, because like no one did. And back in 2019, 89% of the world was using Google Chrome, right? Let's go back to 2019. Here we go. Yes, 88 to 89% basically was using Google Chrome. So, I mean Google, not Google Chrome. I think AI is going to be the sole thing that is going to tip Google's like performance as a search engine. So, I mean, if you do want AI, Bing actually has you covered as well. So, as you can see here, there's a different, like a separate tab for Copilot. And you just press that. I mean, you can configure it to be opening in the same window. So, yeah, and as you can see, it doesn't automatically send your prompt. It just puts it here, and then you can just go ahead and search it up, and then it'll tell you exactly how to do it. So it gives you the option not to do it, and that is really cool, at least personally speaking. So yeah, Bing has, I think, overnight, or not overnight, over the last year, has become one of the go-to web browsing experiences after Google, of course. I mean, it's still not privacy focused, right? I mean, it's Microsoft after all. It's still not ideal, because like Google, I think, was better back when it was better, but this is good, man. I mean, the only complaint I really have, except for the privacy thing, but like I don't really search up stuff that might be illicit or like illegal, so I don't really care about that. So here we go. If we go to videos, the only complaint I have is that when you click a video, it doesn't actually send you to YouTube. It actually uses Bing's own like service to actually play videos, which is, yeah, I mean, you can use this, but like you can't see the comments, so that is bad. So they basically have their own like YouTube interface here. It just has this, but like I've gotten used to like pressing YouTube here, and it just takes you to the actual YouTube page, which is cool. And yeah, it's basically all you need. So yeah, I don't know, that was basically the video today. De-Google your life. I mean, you're still fairly Microsoftizing it, but like, but you know what, if it's going to be Microsoft, the one that's going to make Google search better, because like if there's competition, Google is going to push forward to actually do better, right? And if it's going to be Microsoft bringing Google to the table of competition, I am not against that. I mean, go ahead and use whatever else, but like if you do want to get a stable search experience, which I've been using for 10 months at this point, it has not disappointed me. go ahead and use Bing. I mean, Bing is good, man. It's not bad. Let's just say it. I mean, it's better than Google at this point, and that's what we're searching for, I hope. And yeah, see you in the next video. Bye!